Need to prove your right to work in the UK or check someone else's? This video gives you a simple, step-by-step guide using the official gov.uk services. Let's start with employees, how to get your right to work share code. Step 1. Go to the official gov.uk right to work page. Click the Start Now button to begin the process. You'll be asked to confirm your identity using your passport, national ID card, biometric residence permit or UKVI account. After verification, a share code will be generated. Copy it or write it down, then give it to your employer. Now for employers, here's how to check a candidate's right to work using their share code. Go to the official gov.uk checking service. Click the Start Now button to begin the check. Enter the candidate's date of birth and the share code they provided. You will now see their right to work status, including what type of work they can do and any time limits. Don't forget to screenshot or save the results as proof you completed the check. That's the full step-by-step guide for employees and employers. Official links are in the description. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides.